Hey, so ready to unpack how AI is really changing the game, not just with tools, but with like actual accomplishment?
Okay, so I've been reading Ravindra Dostakov's work, and he's got this framework called AIing, which is all about using AI with intention.
Right. So it's not just about throwing AI at every problem.
Exactly. He emphasizes that AIing is about clarity and structure and about really thinking before you start prompting.
Okay. But what does that look like in practice, though?
Well, Dostakov breaks it down into 12 tools. Each one is designed to answer a specific question as you move from thought to action.
12 tools, huh? That sounds like a lot. Is it like a one size fits all type of thing?
No, actually, he stresses that you don't need to use all of them all the time. It's more about using what you need when you need it.
Okay. So where do people usually start?
He suggests starting with the outcome clarifier if you're feeling confused. That helps you really define what you're trying to accomplish.
Okay. Interesting. And what if things are just like chaotic, you know?
Then he recommends tools like the task mapper or the workflow automator to bring some order to the chaos.
So it sounds like AI is more about enhancing our thinking rather than replacing it, right?
Exactly. Dostakov says AI amplifies our thinking, especially when we're clear about what we want to achieve. It's about using AI as a cognitive partner.
That's a wrap.